In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap two rows in Google Sheets with ease and efficiency. Whether you're managing data for a personal project or business function, knowing how to rearrange rows can save you time and help keep your information organized. Let's dive into it. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to swap the rows. Once you have your spreadsheet opened, locate the rows that you wish to swap. It's important to visually confirm the content of these rows to ensure accuracy. This way, you avoid potential mistakes that could lead to data discrepancies later on. After identifying the rows, select the first row you want to move. You can do this by clicking on the row number on the far left of the spreadsheet. This will highlight the entire row, making it ready for your next action. Now, click and drag this row to the new desired position. Make sure not to release the click until you have moved it precisely to the position you want. Google Sheets will display a bold horizontal line to indicate where the row will be placed once dropped. It's crucial to ensure that this line is exactly where you need your row to be. Next, place the first row in its new position. Once satisfied, repeat the same process with the other row you wish to swap. Again, click on the row number to highlight it, drag it to its new place, and confirm the bold horizontal line before releasing it. Taking extra care at this step ensures you avoid accidentally swapping it into the wrong position. If you want to double-check your changes or revert back, utilize Google Sheets' Undo feature. This can be accessed through the toolbar or simply by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. It provides a safety net, ensuring that you can easily correct any mistakes or mishaps. Remember, data accuracy is key, especially when dealing with spreadsheets that may contain sensitive or essential information. Ensuring that you are swapping the correct rows and double-checking the changes can save a lot of headaches down the line. If you frequently perform row swaps or similar tasks, consider using Google Sheets add-ons or keyboard shortcuts to streamline the process further. Exploring these additional tools can significantly enhance your productivity, offering more effective ways to manage your data. In conclusion, swapping rows in Google Sheets is a straightforward task, but it's crucial to pay close attention to detail. By following these steps carefully, you can maintain the integrity of your data and improve your overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe and check out our other Google Sheets tutorials for more handy tips and tricks.